నవ్వటం చేత కాకపోతే దుకాణం తెరవద్దు. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ నో హౌ టు స్మైల్, ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ నో హౌ టు స్మైల్, డోంట్ స్టార్ట్ ద బిజినెస్. if you don't know, if you don't know how to smile, don't start the business. Okay, you are unfit, you are not eligible for the business. Okay, like observe that. So my statement, Durga Sir statement, if you don't know how to smile, if you don't know how to smile, okay, if you won't smile frequently, you are going to die early. Remember that you are going to die early. The God gave 100 years, sir. But our life may be 60 years, 40 years, 50 years, 70 years, and so on only. Our lifetime we are going to reduce. Okay, success won't be there. Success won't be there. Just we BP, sugar, all these things automatically are going to be started. If you want, you can cross check the person who is always serious in your surrounding. That person already started using tablets. That person is already started rounding hospitals. If you want, you can cross check any person.
Yes, sir.
Any person in your surrounding, if you want, you can cross check. The person who is always moody, the person who is always angry, frustration, that person is the so definitely God provided lifetime, he won't use. In the middle only, definitely khatam ho gaya. That's why always smile heartfully. Hurry, you are not required to pay anything for the smile, man. Happy hormones are going to be released. Okay, if the happy hormones are going to be released, your body is always with a positive energy, pleasant mind, peace of mind. Okay, whatever the work you are going to do, automatically you are going to succeed, because your body is with a full of positive energy. Even you are going to touch a rock, it will become gold. Okay, full moody face, frustration, angry. If you are going to touch real gold also, it will become rock. వాటి నెత్తిన ఎప్పుడు దరిద్రం డ్యాన్స్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది, ఎప్పుడు మూడీగా. అరే మార్నింగ్ వై ఐ సా సచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఫేస్, మార్నింగ్ వై ఐ సా సచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ రస్ట్ ఫేస్, లైక్ ద పీపుల్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఫీల్. దట్స్ వై
తెలుగులో ఉంది సార్.
వెంగల్
నవ్వటం ఒక భోగం, నవ్వలేకపోవటం భోగం అనేది.
అది it's a God's gift, man. Smile, heartful smile. So don't miss that. Don't miss that. Really, I'm changing multiple transformations in my house. Now these days, my wife is laughing like anything. If she, my family members are laughing like anything. Thanks to this series, that heartful happiness must be required. Okay, even you have 100 crores also. If you are not having heartful happiness, soul happiness, all that 100 crores is the waste papers, rough papers. Getting right? Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
How many people want to smile?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
How many people
right,
want to smile?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, right? Everyone, right?
All,
Yes.
Yes.
All right?
800 crore people.
800 plus crores of the people, they are not good. They don't know, right? They didn't join life skills to Durga Sir, right? They don't know. They don't know about this. That's why at least you people are lucky, including me also. We know the value. 6 hours we are talking only about smile, man.
Yes, sir.
Lifetime memorable thing. Yeah. Okay. Even you are not getting smile. I told right. Even you are not getting smile. What you require to do?
Hasyasana.
At least a fake smile. At least a fake smile. Okay, fake smile. Our brain is don't know whether it is a fake smile or whether it is a natural smile. Don't worry at all. Fake smile. Then after some time, what will happen? That fake smile will become natural smile, normal smile. Okay, the happy hormones by default are going to be released. Don't worry. Okay, so always a smile, man. Smiling changes your day, changes other person's day, like anything, man.